Hey friends, it's Rochelle and Tim with TNR Toys. Today we're taking a look at Lalaloopsy Minis Style and Swap. This is a Spot Splatter Splash. Say that 3 times fast. Let's take a look at the back.
Okay, so it looks like Lalaloopsy was gonna head to bed when she decided she wanted to paint instead. You can do 16 different ways to mix and match her outfit. So let's open up and see what it looks like.
Alright, Lalaloopsy is out of the box and ready to play. She's got 3 different dresses, a onesie with some paint on it, 2 hairstyles, 2 pairs of shoes or socks, and a bucket of blue paint. Let's see what she gets up to. Wow, I can't believe I couldn't think of anything to paint today. Guess I'll just throw on my slippers and go to bed. Guess I'll just lay down. Boy, I like these slippers. 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 Lady slippers.
Oh hey Lalaloopsy, what's all the commotion about?
Oh, hey Donald. I just got some inspiration.
Inspiration, that's great. What you gonna be painting today?
Well, I will tell you, it has to do with slippers.
Oh cool, so why haven't you started painting yet?
I need to get into my painting clothes, but you can't look. Turn around so I can change.
Okay.
Okay, Donald, you can turn around now. I'm ready to do some painting.
Oh great. You know I like to see a good paint job.
You betcha. That's really landing on the thing. Okay, Donald, all finished. Do you know what it is?
No, what is it? Looks like some kind of flower.
I'll give you a hint. It's the state flower of Minnesota.
I'm from Cuba. I don't know what that is.
It's a lady slipper. Lady slipper.
Wow, what a great picture of a lady slipper. Lalaloopsy really has some talent. Well, thanks for stopping by, you fellow YouTubers. Remember, the highest rated comment after 4 weeks will get this toy for free. Remember, subscribe to give yourself plus 10 likes. Happy YouTubing and have a great day. Bye.